Now I'm going to anneal a piece. I'm going to anneal a piece of silver. So turn on the fire torch, and as you can see now, I'm just placing, I'm not gonna go direct on the piece like this, I'm just going with angle, and I'm just creating the heat on the piece, so you can see slowly the reflections of the metal. I want everywhere equal, the same, the flame to go there. I'm not going there because you can see it goes very topic. I want to go there because in this case I work better with the molecules. Or you can choose, if you have a square, you can choose a corner with the angle of the fire like that, and just spray the heat. So now I'm just waiting for the color just before starts getting really deep orange, because the annealing point is a little bit before the piece starts to get orange. It's not before my piece starts to melt, it's just before the piece starts to get deep orange. So now I can see starts to change the color, to keep the orange slowly, you see the glow there. So just before that point, you need to stop and don't bring it to this level, because now you can see the surface of the metal starts to melt in a way and create the mirror effect. So I bring the fusion point on the metal. So this one is, annealing point is before this point here. Make sure that you finish the annealing before it gets a really dark orange red and starts the melting point of the metal.